In this video, I'll guide you through how to upload files to Dropbox from your computer's file manager using either Windows File Explorer or Mac Finder. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move files into your Dropbox folder and how to confirm that everything has uploaded correctly. Before we get started, there's one important requirement. This method only works if you already have the Dropbox desktop app installed on your computer. When the app is installed and you're signed in, it creates a special Dropbox folder on your system that stays in sync with your online Dropbox account. If you don't see a Dropbox folder at all, you may need to install the app first from the official Dropbox website and then come back to these steps. Let's start by opening your file manager. On Windows, the quickest way is to press the Windows key and the E key at the same time. That keyboard shortcut opens File Explorer right away. You can also open File Explorer by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or searching for File Explorer in the Start menu. On a Mac, you'll use Finder instead. Just click the Finder icon in your dock or click on your desktop and choose Finder from the top menu if it's not already open. Once your file manager is open, you'll need to find the Dropbox folder. This folder usually appears in the left-hand sidebar. On Windows, it might be under Quick Access. On a Mac, it might be under Favorites. Look for the Dropbox name and its familiar icon. When you see it, click on it once. That opens your local Dropbox folder, which is directly connected to your Dropbox account in the cloud. Now that your Dropbox folder is open, you're ready to move files into it. There are two main ways to do this: drag and drop or copy and paste. Both methods do the same thing, so use whichever feels more comfortable. For drag and drop, first go to the folder that contains the file you want to upload. This might be your desktop, your downloads, or another folder. Click once on the file you want, hold down the mouse button, and drag it over to the Dropbox folder in the sidebar. When your cursor is over the Dropbox folder, release the mouse button. The file will move or copy into Dropbox depending on your system settings. You can also drag the file into an open Dropbox window if you already have that folder open. If you prefer copy and paste, right-click the file you want to upload and select Copy. On Windows, you can also press Ctrl and C on your keyboard. On a Mac, you can press Command and C. Next, go back to your Dropbox folder, right-click in an empty area inside that folder and choose Paste. On Windows, the shortcut for paste is Ctrl and V, and on a Mac, it's Command and V. The file will appear in your Dropbox folder and begin syncing automatically. After you've moved your files, it's important to check the sync status so you know your upload is complete. In your Dropbox folder, look at the small icon on each file or folder. A blue circle means the file is currently uploading or syncing. That tells you Dropbox is still working on getting the file into the cloud. A green check mark means the upload is finished and the file is now fully stored in your Dropbox account online. If you see the green check mark, you're safe to close your file manager or even go offline, knowing that file is backed up in Dropbox. That's all there is to it. By using your regular file manager and the Dropbox folder, you can upload files quickly and keep everything in sync with your online storage.